Understanding peaty soil in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of soils and uncover the secrets of peaty soil. Understanding this term is not only useful for gardening enthusiasts but also enriches your vocabulary about the natural world. So, let's get our hands dirty and learn all about peaty soil. Peaty soil is a type of soil that's rich in organic matter, specifically peat. It's dark, usually damp, and found in wetlands or bogs. This soil is known for its ability to retain water, which makes it both a challenge and a boon for gardening. The dark color comes from the decomposed plant material, which is the main component of peat. The primary characteristics of peaty soil include its high acidity and excellent water retention. This soil is spongy to the touch due to its high levels of peat, and it can be used to improve other types of soil when mixed in properly. However, its acidity means that not all plants can thrive in it without some adjustments. Peaty soil is a double-edged sword in gardening. On the one hand, its water retention is great for plants that love moisture. On the other hand, its acidic nature may require gardeners to add lime to neutralize the pH for other plants. It's also a non-renewable resource, which raises environmental concerns. Environmentally, peaty soils are vital. They store carbon and help reduce greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. They're also home to unique ecosystems. However, the extraction of peat has led to the destruction of many peatlands, which impacts biodiversity and climate change. I hope this exploration into peaty soil has been enlightening. Whether you're a budding gardener or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, understanding this type of soil can be quite interesting. Keep learning, and you'll soon be a pro at discussing all things soil-related. Happy gardening and happy learning!